Make sure you're looking at this.
Look,
There, go
this is Young Blow. Well, it ain't young nothing. I'm 21 now. I'm good and grown, you know what I'm saying? It's the king right here, you know what I'm talking about? And this is how we get down. Super Boss is the clique, you know what I'm talking about? I be like, yo. I'm the boy that want extra cake. So I go hard in the streets, and with the rap niggas who flex get 8, I make them pull their list out of extra face. So when my coupe slide through your projects, it's gonna skate. Respect me. This ain't about how you feel for the flow. Nah, this is about how I drill for the dough. Be easy. I still give you the ill feel for the foe. Soft niggas stay hating, but the real niggas know. Yeah, money's the motivation, the reason we always caking, the reason we flaking from the dope of the show. So I can pull up skating from all the guap that I'm making, so ain't no joking and faking when it comes to getting the dope. And if I must touch the 9 another time, cause niggas try and fuck with the money mad, cause I got a sick of rhyme, I'm a frown. That's bad, I got the best mag, you be sleepy like jet lag when the tech blast. It's simple, murder you from the pen and the pencil, or the freestyles is wild. From between the temple. Don't let the cheese tempt you, because one thing that men do is pinch you, and you will get popped. Pimples. Look, dummy, I only want to pop if I got to shoot. Then you boys that eat more pipe than a prostitute. Besides, I'm proper too, and I got a lot of loot. Cock blocks, the dot spot is top from off top of roof. Fantastic. Yeah, you should ask. I've been looking for a reason to be bragging on the swag. I rock it when I cop it, looking crispy with the tag still on me, so I know she want to kiss me when I pass. Not a contender because I'm feeling like the best. You can call it what you want. Super Boss means success. Yeah, I keep it fresh. All the women say it's yes, so I'm kind of like the feeling they be getting during sex. See you messing with a vet. Can't you see that I'm winning? I spend more as you peeping my linen. My label independent because I need my pension. The MVP of the league and he's not in it. Whoa. Tracks you buying ain't safe. Ghostwriters want to be me. If he's you and you're I, then I'm Mace. Get it? Hot bars make a cold case with no kick, no clap. Drop the bass. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about. You know.
Spazzing. That's how we do it out here, little bro. Yeah, step your game up.
Out here.
Yeah. You see that? Walker boy, he's coming at you.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Walker. That's how East side kicking it.
Bully man.
East side kicking it.
Bully man.
Yeah.